Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you several variants of orchids and describe few facts that you may find interesting. Orchids are beautiful flowering plants with colorful petals and fleshy green leaves. They are not limited to warmer countries anymore. Over 25,000 species of orchids are found in various color combinations that make them so attractive. Most orchids grow on other plants as epiphytes. They gather food from their dirt, dust, and organic matter on the host tree, but are not parasitic. However, some orchids grow on soil. They don't like cold or wet weather. All over the world, you can find orchid except Antarctica. Now, people grow orchids as houseplants, and some grow them commercially. Orchids are unique. They make us happy.